This is in tandem with the manufacturing pillar of our Big Four agenda, as well as our own Kenya Vision 2030. In the medium and long term, we plan to create a weapons manufacturing surplus that will transform Kenya into an exporter of security equipment to nations in the region and the rest of the world. This will not only boost our balance of trade position, but it will also create employment for thousands of Kenyans, in addition to creating a skills and technology environment that will drive transformation also in civilian industries. Ladies and gentlemen, with this innovative initiative, Kenya stands to reap economic benefits through the creation of backward linkages that will spur development, advance human capital, drive economic expansion, and fuel the modernization of Kenya's iron and steel manufacturing, machine tooling, production of precision optical and sensor equipment, and other related processes that are derived from weapons manufacture. The journey we begin today will not be an easy one. It will continue to require commitment, desire, and undoubtedly fidelity to our national security imperatives and the prioritization of incremental progress and perfection of products and processes. It also requires investment of significant sums of money, human resource, training, and buildings and equipment for these kind of projects to succeed. To the company, I tell you that we must continue to invest in research and development skills and technology transfer, secure international subcontracting, production under license, multinational co-development and co-production, and the use of intellectual property rights to secure designs and processes. These engagements aim to, one, share the risk and costs of design, manufacturing, and sale of weapons. Secondly, to allow Kenya to access innovative foreign-based technologies and know-how. Thirdly, to foster synergies as well as economies of scale. Fourthly, to provide market access in the very competitive arena of international arms sales. And fifth, create and protect local jobs in the area. Today we note with satisfaction that this factory that we have officially opened today has currently manufactured about 12,000 assault rifles based on a single shift, with 60% of the components being locally manufactured. I am also pleased to note the diligence of our security organs, for they have delivered this project well under budget. When we first conceived this project and we went out to seek people out there who could help us develop it, we were given quotes of up to 15 billion shillings. But by using our own local expertise, our own Kenyan citizens, we have been able to complete this project at a cost of Kenya shillings 4 billion, saving us a combined total of approximately 11 billion shillings. Hongera sana kwenu. Asanteni sana. Pongezi. At current production and demand levels, the factory is already self-sustaining. And over the next year, we intend to diversify our production lines to include 9mm pistols and 7.62 assault rifles. Within the next 5 years, we aim to have the capacity to supply all of Kenya's security agencies with their small arms requirements, with the capacity to expand into medium and heavy weapons production. I am confident that we will achieve our plan as long as we ensure proper investment in equipment, human capital development, and manufacturing capabilities. It has been done elsewhere successfully, and therefore with commitment that you have shown and an unwavering focus on the end goals, I also believe we too shall succeed. I urge the company to develop and implement a corporate social responsibility plan in which it positions itself as a steward for lawful and responsible use of firearms across the region and the continent. Beyond the manufacture of weapons, the company should help us reinforce Kenya's diplomatic standing and our place of pride in the community of nations. I look forward in the coming year to also launch the new line in Eldoret at our munitions plant that will be able to support the work that is also ongoing here. And to indeed say how proud I am to see all you wonderful young people and the great job that you're doing here. And to give you my personal assurance that as we have supported you from the beginning, we shall continue to do so. This is what we are looking for. This is what we are aiming to be a nation of highly skilled, highly trained young men and women with a government and a nation that is capable of producing the kind of jobs that can give you the kind of returns that will, at the end of the day, justify the education that you have undergone. And on this, you can continue to count on my continued support. So to all of you who have been involved, we know there are many other projects and programs that we are looking into that over the course of this year and next, we shall be launching one at a time. But let me say, today is a day of great pride and honor for me. I thank you all for your efforts, and it is now my distinct honor and high privilege as the Commander-in-Chief of the Republic of Kenya to declare the Small Arms Factory, which is part of our National Security Industrial Network, officially commissioned and open for business. I wish you God's blessings as we continue to pray for God's mercy for our country. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much. Hongera sana. Well done. Keep it up and shame the devil.